Hey neighbors, are you looking to upgrade your bedroom? We've got you covered here next Upgrade, your ultimate guide to turning your home into a smart one. Let's see some of the interesting smart devices you might want to check out further after watching this episode.
Having sleep troubles lately? Try the Smart Goggles Eye Mask by Theab Body, a smart wearable device that helps ease facial tension, eye strain, and headaches during the day, and helps you get a rejuvenating sleep at night. It has vibration, massage, and heat therapy that captures the wellness you need to get the quality sleep you crave for and deserve. And if you love listening to soothing music to help you sleep faster and better, well, this one has surround soundscape included to help you drift into a relaxing dreamscape. With customizable settings and a comfortable design, it's the ultimate solution for tired eyes and restless minds. We're already talking about better sleep, so why not upgrade the mood in your bedroom to further enhance the relaxation? With Phillips Hue Ambient Gradient Light Strip, you can create custom ambiance with millions of color options and dynamic effects. You can have it cut to your preferred length, but it's also expandable up to 10 meters. It's Bluetooth friendly and goes up to 1,800 lumens. So whether you're winding down with a book or setting the mood for a peaceful night's sleep, this smart light strip has you covered. Another factor why you can't get that deep sleep is most probably your mattress. Upgraded to the 8 Sleep Smart Bed that has automatic personal heating and cooling technology to match your body's preferences. Customize it to your liking and depending on your side of the bed, using only your smartphone. Its smart tracker helps monitor your sleep and health vitals to improve your sleeping habits and cater to your physical needs. 8 Sleep has its autopilot feature that learns and adapts what you need for the best night of sleep based on your personal profile such as age, biological sex, sleep history, and local weather. No more waking up on the wrong side of the bed, as its gentle vibrations and thermal alarm help you wake up gently and reduces your cortisol levels. Sounds awesome, right? Say goodbye to dry air and hello to cleaner, healthier air for a more restful sleep. Breathe easier with the Moss Air Humidifier and Purifier. This advanced device uses cutting-edge technology to remove fine dust particles and other various substances in the air. It also maintains optimal humidity levels in your bedroom. This helps prevent respiratory and skin diseases while transforming your bedroom into a tranquil heaven with your personal slice of nature. Want to keep your bedroom green for a healthier lifestyle without worrying about neglecting your plant babies? Plants IO Ivy is a perfect match for you. A smart device that ensures your plants thrive with minimal effort. Its multidimensional features include water level, light, temperature, touch, vibration, air humidity, and soil moisture sensor, shown in its cute multidimensional expressions. Because plants have feelings too. So show your care and tend to your plant babies with accuracy through the Plants IO app by monitoring them even when you're away. This growth and technology helps greenify your space and promote a sense of calm and well-being.
That's it for now, neighbors. Subscribe for more tips in creating your very own dream space. Until next time, sweet dreams and see you, neighbors.